In this question, we determine the number of people who live in state A and the number of people that live in state B using this given information. So first, I'm going to represent X, which represents the number of people living in state A, and let Y represents the number of people who live in state B. So therefore, we can represent this statement, that is 73,930 people live in state A and state B in mathematical equivalent as X plus Y equals 73,930. And using the other information, that is state B population is 12,410, more than 3 times the number in state A. So since it is given as state B population, I write down Y, which is represented for state B, and this equals 12,410 more. So we put 12,410 plus 3 times the number in state A. The 3 times the number in state A is, if state X represents the number in state A, 3 times the number in state A will be 3x. So we have converted both the information into the mathematical equations. So we have two equations in two variables, that is x and y. We can solve this either by elimination or by substitution method. I'm going to solve this equation by substitution method. So for that, I'm going to substitute y, the expression for y, into the first equation. So when I do that, I get x plus, in place of y, I can replace it like this, that is 12,410 plus 3x, and this equals 73,930. We now combine this like terms, that is x and 3x are like terms. So therefore it becomes x plus 3x is 4x plus 12,410. This equals 73,930. And the next step, we subtract 12,410 from both sides, so that we will have only 4x on the left side, and this will be 73,930 minus 12,410, and this equals 61,520. So this equals 61,520. We now divide both sides by 4, so we can solve for x. I'm sorry, this has to be 4. So we get x equals 61,520 divided by 4. When we do the actual division, we get 15,380. So this represents the number of people who live in state A. Now, using this x value, we have to solve for y. For that, we can replace the value of x into this expression. So let me do it here. So therefore, y equals 12,410 plus 3x, which equals 3 times of 15,380. We solve for y, that is y equals 12,410 plus 3 times of 53,380, and this equals 46,400, I'm sorry, 140. We then add these two values, that is 12,420 plus 46,140. When we add this, we get the value as 58,550. So we see that this is the number of people living in state B. So we say that in state A, there are about 15,380 people, and in state B, there are 58,500 people living in state B. And this answers this question.